MATLAB code I developed. And the reason I didn't want to share, I decided not to share with you the MATLAB code is this. I need you to type in on your own at least for one time. In the way you have certain memories or good exercise for something, at least for one time. Okay, so that is my thinking not to share, and you can type in. The critical MATLAB command is a few things. If you like, you can highlight. The log space. A log space defined here is the lower range, which is from 10 to the minus 1. The low W is minus 1. That means from 10 to the minus 1. To the higher range, that means here for this example, I define the 10 to the 5. Okay. And this one basically asking MATLAB to, in this range, give me the 1,000 data points of the plotting, and then do the curve fitting. Okay. And the second command is a Bode. Okay. And you can look up help Bode to see. And basically, the Bode is you have to describe your system, which is this one here. And you have to designate the working frequencies range. And if you ignore this one, I think MATLAB will using his default one, and I don't know how much that is default. And so always be good exercise you define your range of the working. When you plot this command and you're asking MATLAB to return the certain outputs to you, and in this way, once you hit return at this point, you won't see any plot. So if you want to see the plot, then you better only use this one, only use Bode, this command, without returning value. If you want to see the plot, you only use this one, okay? This one is basic, and this one you have to download it. I put that one located in Blackboard, okay? If you want to use this one, you better to have this command saved locally to where the folders you're working on. And this one is pretty powerful. The reason why is this. In MATLAB, using the Bode plot, it won't show you the asymptotes. The MATLAB, using the MATLAB command Bode plot, this one, it right away show you is the final very nice curve of the result. But it won't show you the asymptotes. I think the asymptotes will be very good exercise step. So if you want to see the asymptotes or even the overlap of the result with the asymptotes, then you have to use this command. And this one I found it from internet. I spent a little bit of time because I tried to develop my program to show the curve as well as the asymptotes. I think that will be the necessary for learning. But I spent, I think, one morning about 2 hours. I found this one. I really appreciate that authors in public. Okay, I really appreciate that authors. So this available in here. You download it and again store it into the local drive, the local folders you're working on your program. Usually in this one, and then you follow up those commands, and in particular in the kind of drawing command, then you will see is a curve like this. Okay, so in this way, once you're using the BASYM, that command, then using those kind of drawing figures, then you can see that is an overlap between the asymptotes here. We drawing is in solid line, and in red, that is the true curve here. Okay, so in this particular example, you can see at the corner frequency, at every single corner frequency, there always is about 3 dB, not precisely, but very close. Okay, and that is the magnitude, and here this is for the phase. Okay, so next time coming back here, we can use our old decomposition techniques. At least I can show you how to draw the asymptotes. Once we have asymptotes ready there, they pretty much from this result, pretty much is ready for it's a good approximation for the curves. Okay. Okay, so we come back Friday, we will look at this example in more detail. Thank you.